with forensic science at the top.
Right. Mr. Butler, I wish you remembered me, but I remember you sang with me. You sang, every day, love me your own special way.
Are you going to sing it?
Yeah. Oh, sorry. You go sing it. You sing it. Go ahead.
From Johnny Wilder and Keith Wilder, Dayton Heat Wave.
Dayton.
From the album Central Heating.
Right.
Every day, love me your own special way. Melt all your heart away with a smile. Take time to show me that you truly care, and we'll always love you forever. Always forever.
Woo! You're so awesome. You are so awesome.
Ohio.
From Dayton, Ohio. Mr. Butler. This is Steven.
Yeah,
Steven. This is my brother. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And you remember me.
My wife from Compton.
She's from Compton?
Yeah.
Wow. Ooh, girl.
28th Street.
Wow, that's awesome.
Hey, look, our daughter, academic All-American.
Yeah.
And my baby boy says a Hershey with 180 bronze stars.
Yeah.
He's in the 4th grade. He's in his big sister.
Is she still in Brazil?
Yeah. She just left 3 weeks ago.
Oh, okay.
On a protocol. 6 foreign languages.
Wow. That's awesome.
From Milliken High School.
Milliken. Oh my gosh, my friend Megan goes to well, she used to go to Megan.
Victoria in 06 class.
Really? Oh, I don't think she cares. But
you know what AP courses are?
Yeah, for smart kids.
Very smart kids. She started out from hung over track shoes.
Wow. All right,
in the 7th grade.
That's awesome.
I want to take these AP courses.
That's awesome. She has to be smart.
Academic excellence.
Yeah. Well, we're going to go eat right now, Mr.
For the scholarship fund, you got to hang up track and field.
Oh, yeah.
I'm going to hold it. Me and Mr. Butler.
Oh, yeah.
Actually, no.
Okay.
Got that picture?
I got it.
Kodak moment.
Kodak moment.
Kodak moment. I teach my wife that with 28th Street.
28th Street. All right, Mr. Butler. Well, it's good seeing you again.
We want to say special prayers for Biaha, Brazil.
Right.
From UC Santa Barbara.
Oh, right. All right.
Flagship.
Flagship. Okay, we'll see you later. Say bye for the end of my project. Goodbye.
And guess what? You'll get a triple threat A+ for that.
For real?